Good morning and namaskar. Good evening and namaskar. Myself, it includes the many things like stars, asteroids, and planets. Do you know how it is formed? I will tell you the formation and evolution of our solar system. Solar system was formed 4,568 billion years ago from a gravitational collapse of a large molecule large within a molecular system. Now my friend Nicholas will explain to you how it is formed. In a space due to a higher boiling point, only skeletons and metals reside in the inner solar system, close to the sun, and these form rocky planets. In Mercury, Venus, and Earth, the gas giant formed in Saturn and Jupiter. Now, after the point into the orbit, Mercury and Jupiter. Then Mars, when material is cool enough for volatile, it is formed in a icy compound to remain solid. Now left over the debris, they never become planted, dominated